Do you love watching the pros getting rad in ski and snowboard movies and wish that that could be you? Perhaps you already take off on epic adventures with your friends, but get frustrated when disappointing footage doesn't live up to what you felt in the moment. Or maybe you get great footage, but you don't have time to edit it. Well, you're in luck, because now SkiBro will do it for you. The Cinematic Pack teams up some of SkiBro's finest instructors with our top-notch mountain cinematographers, giving you an unforgettable day in the mountains, all captured in stunning high definition. Our cinematographers come armed to the teeth with drones, professional cameras, gimbals, microphones, and more. All that you and your crew have to do is focus on making epic descents, while we take care of creating an amazing piece of content for you to share with your friends and family.
Woohoo! Woohoo! Woohoo!
With SkiBro's Cinematic Pack, you'll capture your memories the way they deserve to be seen.